15 essential travel tips every first-time traveler should know first-time traveling. And feeling a little nervous? Don't worry, I've got your back. Whether you're heading out on your first solo trip, a vacation with friends, or a big international adventure, this video is packed with simple, smart, and essential tips to help you travel like a pro, even if it's your first time. From packing hacks to safety tips, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make your trip smooth, fun, and stress-free. Let's jump into 15 travel tips every beginner needs to know before takeoff. Travel tip number 1. Start with a plan, not a tight schedule. First time traveling, don't overplan your days. It's great to have a rough itinerary, but leave space to explore, rest, or go with the flow. Travel is full of surprises, and sometimes, the best memories come from the unexpected. Stick to 1 to 2 key activities per day, and let the rest unfold naturally. Pro tip. Star places on Google Maps so you've got flexible options nearby. Travel tip number 2. Book your accommodation in advance. Always book your stay in advance, especially for your first and last nights. When you land tired and jet-lagged, the last thing you want is to hunt for a hotel. Knowing where you're going gives you peace of mind, and often better deals too. Pro tip. Take a screenshot of your booking confirmation and address in case your data doesn't work when you arrive. Travel tip number 3. Use travel apps. They're game changers. Travel smarter with apps that do the heavy lifting. Google Maps for offline navigation and local spots. Rome to Rio for finding the best ways to get around. XE Currency to convert prices on the go. Google Translate to break the language barrier. Pro tip. Download offline versions before your flight so you're never stuck without Wi-Fi. Travel tip number 4. Pack light. Bring only essentials. First-time travelers always overpack. Don't be that person. Pack light. Bring mix and match outfits and skip the just-in-case items. Use packing cubes to stay organized and roll your clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. Leave bulky toiletries at home. You can buy them there. Pro tip. Lay everything out. Then remove a third. You'll thank yourself later. Travel tip number 5. Keep documents digital and physical. 30-second script. Back up your documents before your trip. It's a lifesaver if things go wrong. Scan your passport, visa, tickets, insurance, and email them to yourself. Store copies in the cloud like Google Drive. Also print out your passport and visa and keep them separate from the originals. Pro tip. Save important contacts offline in case your phone dies or gets lost. Travel tip number 6. Get travel insurance. It's not optional. 30-second script. Travel insurance might not sound fun, but it's essential. From canceled flights to lost luggage or medical emergencies abroad, it protects you when things go wrong. Look for a plan that covers medical, trip delays, and lost items. Pro tip. Read the fine print, especially for adventure sports or expensive gear. You'll hope you never use it, but if you need it, it's a lifesaver. Travel tip number 7. Know the culture and basic local phrases. 30-second script. Before you land, learn a few local phrases, like hello, thank you, and help. Locals really appreciate the effort, even if it's not perfect. Also, know a few cultural basics, like no tipping in Japan or not touching heads in Thailand. Use Google Translate or Duolingo to prep. A little respect goes a long way and leads to deeper, more meaningful travel moments. Travel tip number 8. Carry a universal adapter plus power bank. 30-second script. Different countries equals different plugs. A universal adapter lets you charge your gear anywhere without stress. Pro tip. Get a power bank with 10 mAh and an adapter with USB ports to charge multiple devices at once. No power equals no fun. Stay charged. Stay ready. Travel tip number 9. Don't exchange all your money at the airport. 30-second script. Airport exchange rates, not great. Only swap a small amount there, just enough for a ride or snack. For better rates, use local ATMs or banks once you're in the city. Use travel cards with no foreign transaction fees. And always choose to pay in local currency when using your card. Save money smart, more for adventures later. Travel tip number 10. Stay connected. eSIM, roaming, or pocket Wi-Fi. 30-second script. Traveling without internet? Tough. Stay connected for maps, translations, and safety. Use an eSIM if your phone supports it. Cheap and easy to activate before you fly. Or check your provider's roaming plan. With a group, Pocket Wi-Fi is perfect for sharing connection. Bonus tip. Download key apps and maps offline, just in case. Travel tip number 11. Avoid tourist traps. Eat where the locals eat. 30-second script. Skip the overpriced tourist spots near landmarks. The food's rarely authentic. Walk a few blocks away. Find busy local joints. And trust the places with handwritten menus and zero hype. No English menu, that's a good sign. Bonus tip, ask locals where they eat, or check reviews on Google Maps or TripAdvisor. Real food lives where real people go. Travel tip number 12, keep emergency contacts saved offline. 30-second script. Phones can die, get stolen, or lose signal, so save emergency contacts offline. Write down your travel insurance info, embassy number, hotel details, and a trusted contact back home. Also jot down local emergency numbers. Not every country uses 911. Pro tip, stash this info in your wallet or backpack. And keep a photo of your ID saved offline too. When tech fails, paper can save the day. Travel tip number 13, trust your instincts but stay cautious. 30-second script. Your gut is your best travel buddy. If something feels off, trust it. Stay alert in crowded areas and don't flash valuables like phones or jewelry. Use a money belt or anti-theft bag and leave your passport in the hotel safe when you don't need it. Pro tip, watch out for strangers using distractions. It's a common pickpocket trick. Blend in, stay sharp, and travel smart. Travel tip number 14, arrive at airports early. 30-second script. Missing a flight can ruin your trip, so don't risk it. For domestic flights, arrive 2 hours early. For international, make it 3. You'll need time for security, immigration, baggage drop, and unexpected delays. Getting there early means less stress and more time to relax before takeoff. Pro tip, check in online and use mobile boarding passes to save even more time. Travel tip number 15, have fun and don't stress if things go off plan. 30-second script. Here's the truth. Things will go wrong when you travel. A delay, a downpour, a missed tour. It happens. But don't stress. The best travel stories often come from the unexpected, so laugh it off, stay flexible, and roll with the adventure. Pro tip, keep a travel journal. Even the fails become fun memories later. Travel isn't about perfection, it's about the experience. And there you have it, to 15 solid travel tips to make your very first trip unforgettable in the best way possible. Which tip was most helpful? Or do you have one I missed? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss more helpful travel content coming your way. Now get out there, explore the world. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Safe travels. And I'll see you in the next video.